guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm that Ohura girl, here to bring you expert level tips and tricks on Ohura semi-cured gel nail strips. Today I'm going to cover application because prep is so important if you want to achieve proper adhesion and longevity with your Ohura strips. I'll go over some do's and don'ts and my general application process. I've been using Ohura for about 9 months now and I change them weekly, so I've gotten a lot of practice in this process, and this is what I've worked out works best for me. If you find topics like this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button to keep videos like this coming. Let's get to it.
Today I'm going to be applying the Set N Sun Catcher. Carefully remove old strips by soaking in remover and wedging an orange stick or the Ohura dual stick between the nail and the strip. Add additional remover as needed as you continue to work the stick between the strip and the nail. Use a glass file or emery board to shape the nails if needed. Apply cuticle remover to the cuticle and under the tips of the nails. Soak for about 30 seconds. Push back the cuticles and scrape off loosened dead skin. Use the other end of a cuticle pusher and apply gentle pressure to clean underneath the tip of the nail and even out the line where the nail grows out. Brush off remaining dead skin and product and rinse. Use cuticle nippers to carefully trim off any remaining dead skin that was missed. Take care not to cut any living skin. I like to use one side of the nippers to press back the living skin and then the other side of the nippers to nip the dead skin that is exposed. Gently rough up the nails with a nail file or the softer side of a 3-way sanding block. Apply the Ohura prep pad to the nails and fingertips and let dry fully. For max damage prevention, apply Ohura primer before applying your strips. I apply a thin layer, using only one brush worth's product on the entire hand. Let dry for 2 to 3 minutes. Fit and apply your strips. Try to avoid touching the adhesive as much as possible. Stretch the strip to fit when needed. Leave a tiny space between the strip and the cuticle to do the acetone trick later. Trim the excess with clippers, leaving a little bit hanging over the edge. You can save the clippings for later to be used on toes if you want to match your sets, or you want to maximize the use of each pack. Press down hard along the cuticle and sides with your wood stick or jewel stick. To prevent your hair from snagging later, brush 100% pure acetone along the cuticle and sides. I like to do 3 complete passes with the acetone. You can skip this step if you don't have a problem with your hair getting caught. Press down the edges with your stick one more time. Cure the strips for a minimum of 2 to 3 minutes. You can do 60 seconds at a time with the Ohura lamp by long pressing the on button. Check for hardness and add more cure cycles if necessary. Once fully cured, use your nail file to perfect the trimmed edges. I like to file in one direction at a 45-degree upward angle. Don't leave any strip overhanging the nail edge. If you do, your strips may chip prematurely through everyday activity. Apply 1 coat of UV gel top coat. Ohura's top gel is my favorite. Make sure not to flood the cuticle. And don't forget to cap the free edge of the nail strip. Cure again for another 2 to 3 minutes, or more if needed. Use a nail brush to clean off any remaining acetone or polish residue. Remove stubborn residue from the skin by brushing over with a light coat of acetone. And finally, apply cuticle oil and work it into your cuticles.
That's pretty much it. If you're new to Ohura, make sure to check out my other tutorials for tips and tricks on how to take your Ohura manicure to the next level. If you found this helpful or you have any questions, make sure to drop a comment down below. And don't forget to click that subscribe button to keep videos like this coming. Thanks for watching. See you soon.